I took my time to explain things to you, and I got here and I asked you and you didn't tell me. So I want to explain to you what you are doing to yourself. That's the reason I'm explaining all this. Do you get it? So now, provide service. Now let's go to the automobile industry, for example. The fitters, they can't manufacture a car. They cannot invest in a car. So when the car spoils, they do what? They repair. That's service. Now, the electrical field, you cannot invent a bulb, a switch, you cannot do that. And you can also not have enough money to go to China or whichever country and bring more as investment. So you are providing service. So your way of getting this is this. You must be a child or somebody who is not serious about his life to take this as a joke. Do you understand? So whatever you are doing here, the end result is this. You are here because you like me. You are here because, I want to do electrical. No, you are here because of this. You get this very well, you're going to do this. So, right now, I'm the one teaching you. So long as you are with me, whatever I'm teaching you, you have to take advantage of it. You don't come back to tell me I've forgotten. Because see, as I taught you what circuit is, the next thing is to build upon that. I can't go back and teach you what circuit is. What is circuit? Circuit is, you were trying to explain it, but brophone sometimes, circuit simply means that you lay cables or you arrange cables for the purpose of carrying power to a load. That is circuit. The car circuit, for example, who said, "Down, nimpa, everybody." Into your charge phone. Phone load. Into the socket item. Abba. Socket in the bed, a for power. Into never power cables. So we arrange the cables to the main source to pick power from there to here. So that is the circuit. A number of guests in the air. And you become with 3 1. Say yes, she said, Amma. Say the bear, a bit me as well in Namahodin, and Yako baby, a bit me upload TV and an amount. It's simple like that. You don't joke with this because your future depends on it. You are not here to joke. I've seen too many people, too many that are joking. It's a joke. And the funny thing is that so long as you are joking, you can't get there. It's unfortunate that the world has been programmed in such a way that until you are able to do certain things, you won't get certain things. I don't know who programmed it, but that is how it is. Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
I have devoted myself to teach and to train. I don't know why you are not asking the questions. I don't know why you are not being inquisitive. I don't know why you are not listening. See this thing I've taught you now. They are keys in life that most people don't even know it. Most people wake up in the morning and they don't know that they are chasing money. They are chasing love and they are chasing health. They don't know it. They think of him and say, I got you. Why? When you have this, you control your life. When you have this, you're able to enjoy the other two. So please don't joke with it. We are not here to joke. I want to repeat it again. Jacob,